Let me set up the title of it here. Okay, well, so good afternoon there, shrimplings. It's been a while and some challenging times. Okay, so we're doing a online learning initiative here to supplement or perhaps even replace entirely traditional curriculum in the schools because the schools are all closed or something. So we've got this new initiative on the channel here, the Jerome Anderson Channel Curriculum Online for Free initiative. So I'll be sort of providing supplemental educational materials for you and videos you could show in a classroom at your own discretion. That's the sort of judgment you have to make sometimes. A judgment at your own discretion is the sort of judgment you would have to make. So anyway, we're doing educational, this is an educational channel now, but not for kids. It's an educational channel for children 13 or older, so that well, heck, the channel's not even monetized anyway, so what difference does it make? It's for kids. It's an educational channel for 13 and under. Show this to see how long they last. I mean, they'll make it like 4 seconds and then they'll go, I want the baby shark or the gay Spider-Man porn or whatever kids are watching these days. Well, you may have noticed I got this tie. I didn't steal it. I didn't exactly steal it. I sort of stole it because I'm doing educational content now. I want to be nice and formal and professional looking. I want to look like Professor Jerome Anderson, even though I have no qualifications at all. Except for, I was an associate professor of custodial studies for a while there back at the University of Southern Minnesota, but that's sort of that was a short stint I did there a while back there. Now I'm just unemployed. Except for my employment here at the Jerome Anderson Channel, making educational videos to our curriculum online for free. I'm making these videos for you to supplement your learning, either on your own individually, or if you're a teacher, you could show this in a classroom, and that would be advisable. So it's a little mini series, so go on ahead and watch all the videos and just have a gay old time. Jerome Anderson Channel Curriculum Online for Free initiative, all day, every day. Jerome Anderson Channel Curriculum Online for Free, all day, every day, for as long as you can handle.